Hi, my name is Jeff Marcus with Realtor Wizard. I'm also a top 100 agent with Sotheby's International Realty worldwide. One of the strategies that we teach at Realtor Wizard is to be the smartest person in your area. And one of the ways that we show you how to do that is by providing people in your area with research and ideas that will prove to them that you are the smartest person in their area. Recently, a client of mine, now a client of mine, reached out to me to ask me if I would help them sell their house. And the way that conversation went was they said, I get two pieces of information every week from realtors who wanted to represent me, either mail or email. And normally I don't look at them or read them. I read yours, and I have to tell you, it was the most professional thing I've read in a long time. And I'd like you to come and talk to me about selling my home. If this kind of marketing is something that you think would work for you, take a look at Realtor Wizard, realtorwizard.com. Have a good day.